You like attention? Yeah? Hmm. You're so cute. You are so sweet. You just snuggle right up to me. Yeah, are we gonna be best friends, huh? That's your Christmas present. You get a home to live in. That's sad you are a stray. I bet someone kicked you out because you are so sweet. Someone probably booted your ass outside. That's just fucked up. Just fucked up that anybody would do such a thing. You are too sweet. You are too sweet. Yes, you are. You are you are an angel. Maybe I should name you Angel because you are an angel. You are the sweetest kitty ever. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Yeah, so... I have a feeling you're going to be the type that cuddles with me in bed, huh? You're going to be that kind? You're going to wake me up in the morning by laying on my face and saying, I want food? I know how kitties can be. My old cat would do that. I want food! I want food! Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Oh, you're so cute. You are the sweetest little thing. You are the sweetest little thing. You are the sweetest little thing. You just love cuddling with me. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. You are the prettiest little thing. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. You just love my attention. Yeah. Is it because I feed you? Huh? Is it because I feed you food? I give you some lovely snacks. Oh, you're just gonna lay right in front of the camera? You gonna say hi to the world? Oh, isn't she cute, guys? Look at this beautiful animal. You are such a lover. You are such a lover. You love to cuddle. Do you like cuddling? You like cuddling? You like cuddling? Yeah? Cuddle with mama? Yeah? Oh, yes, you are a spoiled one. You are spoiled. You are so spoiled. Yes. Oh, you just got a lot of love to give, don't ya? A lot of love to give. Oh, you are so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. I can't get over how sweet you are. How sweet and cute you are. You're cute and sweet. What? Isn't she cute as fuck, guys? She's so adorable. Yeah. Cutie, 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 cutie. Cutie, cutie. You love cuddling with me, huh? The second I get in the door, she'll like follow me. She'll see me and she'll be like, Mom! We already have a strong bond. I just bought her today. And we are already best friends, aren't we? Aren't we? Aren't we? Beautiful baby. I'm gonna pull it away a little bit so they can see you better. Can see you better. You're so pretty. You're so pretty. Yeah. Yeah. You my little friend? My little friend? Yeah? My friend? My best friend? Oh, you're so purry. You're so purry. Purr, purr, purr. Beautiful animal, you. Beautiful animal. Yes. 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 Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Lots of love. Lots of love to give. Lots of love to give. Yes. Lots of love. Such a sweetheart. Okay, I'm gonna end it. Oh, I'm gonna fall in the thing.